Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I want to show you a massive update that has come to the Good Lock app. Now this update was supposed to come with One UI 7, but Samsung has launched this update to Good Lock app even before One UI 7 has come to my Galaxy S24 Ultra. So in this video, I'm going to show you this new updated Good Lock app, and it's really cool. It's so much more simpler and easier to navigate and understand now. So this is the new Good Lock app. Straight away, you can see that it has a much cleaner interface. So you have two tabs at the bottom. Now all your plugins are on the left. So these are all your plugins. We have makeup plugins right here. Then we have got life up plugins right here. And what else they have done here is that they have added filters to these plugins. So for example, if you want to see all the plugins that have something to do with the clock, you can tap on clock and now you have all the plugins that have something to do with the clock. Similarly, we have extensions, we've got gesture plugins, home screen plugins, keyboard plugins, lock screen, multi-window, notifications. So there are these filters at the top now that you can quickly go into and find what you're looking for. But if you want to go old school, we've got makeup section and life up section. And now we have these beautiful graphics right next to these plugins as well. So this is a much cleaner look. And if you tap on these information buttons right here, it tells you what this plugin does. You can add it to the home screen and you can also delete it. You can read more information about it as well. Now let's move on to the next tab, which is the U tab. So if I tap on it, here you will see that once again, they have made it really helpful. You can right away see that which plugins are in effect right now. So one hand operation is in effect right now and theme park is in effect right now. And you can specifically see that what settings I'm using from one hand operation. So I'm using gesture settings and handle settings. So it's these settings here right now. And from theme park, I am using the icons. So I am using this icon pack from theme park plugin. So that's really useful. And with just one tap, you can disable these plugins as well. So if you want to turn something off, you don't have to go back in there and then sort through the menus and then disable it. You can simply press this button here and disable anything that you want, which is again really helpful. One more really cool thing they have done here is that you can now add favorite plugins to this section here. So from all the plugins, just select whatever you want and that will be your favorite plugins right at the top. Now back into the plugin section, if you tap on this button here, this actually gives you some widgets and wallpapers. If you tap on this one and add it to the home screen, it will come up like this. And if you tap on it, you have all your plugins right here with one tap of a button. So you don't even have to go into the app. They will all be available in this folder here. And then the second one is this cassette. So this is a widget inspired by nostalgic cassette tapes. You can add up to 4 of your favorite Good Lock apps for quick launch. When you launch an app, the app icon moves and the cassette changes color. Add it to your home screen today and see for yourself. So you can add this one to your home screen and there you go. There's the cassette, and here you can add 4 of your favorite plugins, save it, and now they will appear here and you can go into them straight from this cassette plugin. So there is something really interesting going on with Good Lock app. This is a massive update and it is much more easier to understand now, and even easier is to sort through menus and find your settings, find what you're looking for. What I really love about here is that we've got these filters at the top, so you can sort the plugins by these filters. So if I want to do something with the clock, I can simply tap on clock and all these plugins appear and I can go in there and see what is it that I can do, extensions, gestures. I think this is one of the best features that they have added. And the second feature that I really like is that it tells you exactly which settings are in effect and you can disable them, and you can see specifically in each plugin which one are you using right there below it. So this is the new Good Lock app. It's a massive update. If you haven't tried it before, this is the time to download it. So that's about it from this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.